And if you look here on this map, all these little dots here, they're fires going on across Idaho. And what's going to happen, you can kind of see the smoke level here with the legend. We're talking about some light, moderate, even some thick smoke. But as we make our way into tomorrow and even Thursday, we're going to be tracking that opportunity to see some smoke and a little bit of haze in our forecast. In fact, if you look at our smoke tracker, here we are at lunchtime for tomorrow. And you notice here, a lot of this is generally light. When we start getting into some of the yellows and some of the oranges and reds, that is indicative of some pretty thick smoke. We don't anticipate that, but you notice once we head into Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday evening, well, we have some of this lighter color here across southern New Mexico and far west Texas. So we could see some of this light smoke across our skies for tomorrow. We're still going to see a decent amount of sunshine, but just kind of prepare yourself as you get out and about tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night, then again on Thursday to see some of that. There's a look at our latest future track computer model. We have no issues in here tonight. Yeah, we're tracking some clouds out there, but we're not going to be talking about any showers or thunderstorms in the forecast. As we make our way into tomorrow, some high clouds streaming off Hurricane K, which is well out towards the southwest of us. It should stay away from us. We're not going to be talking about any rain in our forecast, but certainly some of these clouds likely to stream in here. Some of these high and mid-level clouds. You can see the model picking up on some of that. Then we have a cold front passage. This looks like it's going to be arriving in here by Sunday morning, so that's going to move through, heading from the north down to the south. The wind's going to pick up just a bit, primarily on the west side of town, so we could be looking at some gusts at about 30-35 miles per hour. Here's the temperatures tomorrow. Low to mid-90s across El Paso County and high temperatures throughout Doña County, Mesilla at 93, Hatch at 94, and notice White Sands topping off at 94 degrees. 93 tomorrow, 94 in here on Thursday, 92 once we head into Friday. The changes arrive in here late weekend, early next week. And the cold front passage in here on Sunday. Wind's going to pick up just a bit. Again, we're talking about low, moderate range of the windy category with those 30-35 mile an hour gusts. Temperature's going to cool down into the 80s, maybe right around 90 on Tuesday, but you'll notice late Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, we'll have at least a slight chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm, Mark.
Okay.